What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Fawz back here with a brand new one for you. And in today's video, we are taking a look at how you can turn $89 into over $10,000 with the use of this simple platform called GLHF. Now, GLHF is a funded perpetual trading platform. So if you are a good trader or you are decent in trading, you can make use of this opportunity to make some good bags, especially now that the crypto market is really green. So if you are new here as well, make sure to drop a follow, subscribe to the channel, and drop a like on the video if you really do enjoy it. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So now that we know what GLHF is, let's get our account set up and all of that. So the first thing you need is to get a Phantom wallet. So if you are in crypto, you already have a Phantom wallet. So you want to click the Get Funded button, right? So once that loads up, you want to select our wallet, Phantom wallet that we have. I want to connect your wallet, right? So yeah, this is your major spot right here, and this is where it all gets started, right? So you want to make sure you buy an account. Now there are 5 accounts that you can buy: the $10,000, $25,000, all the way to $200,000 accounts, and these accounts have separate prices, right? So I started with the $89 plan, which is the $10,000 account. And this is what I used to start my trading journey, right? So if you are looking to just get started, if you are looking to learn, if you are looking to just try the platform out and you are not certain, this is definitely where you need to start from, right? But if you're a decent trader, you already know your ways around trading, you want to make sure to go for the higher plan so that you can maximize the opportunity, right? So I just went with the $10,000 account because that's what I can afford. I'm not a millionaire, I'm not a billionaire. So that's what you can afford, you want to go for that, right? I want to click on proceed to payment right now. It's going to tell you to pay with Solana, blah blah blah. So I've already done all that and I've set up my account. So which takes us to the next step, right? So once your account is set up, your $89 is gone, right? Once you pay for an account, $89 is gone. You can see this is my account right here, and this is how your account is going to look like, right? So the first step you need to do is get into the first challenge, right? Once you set up your account, you are going to go through 2 challenges and then they can fund your account, right? The first challenge is to make 10% of your initial capital, right? And your initial capital in this stage, since we paid $89, is $10,000. So you need to make 10%. 10% of $10,000 is $1,000. You need to make a profit of $1,000 on top of your $10,000, right? So, and as you can see, let me show you, because it's not always going to be all green, right? As you can see, my first challenge, I actually failed it and I lost over $300 because I didn't read the rules and regulations, right? So you want to make sure to fully understand the platform. You go over to the settings tab and you read all of this, right? So there are some things you need to make sure you read before you actually start trading, right? So right here, okay, yeah, it's going to be on the challenge stats, right? You want to make sure you go to the challenge stats and read every single detail that you can to understand the platform fully, because some little things that you might miss out on can actually cost you your account. You cannot lose. You can see you cannot lose 2.5. Your daily limit of losing is 2.5% of your initial balance. That means you cannot lose more than $250 per day unless you lose the account that you funded, right? So that is what I didn't read about, and it cost me this first account. So make sure you read every detail so you don't lose your account, right? So I refunded the account after I did my thorough investigation on the platform. So I refunded the account with $89 and I bought a new challenge, right? So I bought the challenge, completed the stage 1, and I completed the stage 2 as well. Your stage 1 is on 10%, your stage 2 is 6%. So once you complete these 2 stages, you are going to get funded 10,000 real dollars, right? So these 10,000 real dollars, now you can use them to trade. So, and you can see, let me go over to my history. I've been trading for over 4 days now, and I've made over $540, right? And I still have some active trades that if I close, I'm going to be making, I think, maybe probably like, yeah, $146 in floating profit. So I have floating profits of $146 that I can make when I close all my trades. So you want to make sure you read all this, you want to make sure you understand the platform, and that's basically it. So also you need to use my code. I have the link in the description, or you can use code fawz in the I have everything in the description. So use my code to get a VIP bonus once you sign up. So I think they give you an extra on your capital, right? So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, kindly make sure to drop them in the comment section. I'll be active to answer all your questions and everything you need to know. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a nice day. Peace.